Before watching this, make sure you have a ferrite in your background because we're about to catch some butterflies. Hinges rides runs with Wimitina rides. Wimitina rides is a bad word. Hold up. This word does not match with the word mosquito. Mosquito. Hold up. I think you are wondering about this mosquito attacking a bear. I don't know. The spider right is going up and down. The roundup goes rolling. The tilt-a-whirl goes squiggle seeds, and the wipeout is a crazy ride, and the Star Trooper is more worse than the crazy wipeout ride. Wait up! Did you see how many connections we made? That is right. We made thousands of stars with the star of Sweden. But did I told you about this? Yes. We don't know that Hinges rides didn't begin. As you can see. Hold up. I'll tell you. Hinges rides became crazy with rides. That crazy bus was also there, but bonus is the Western Express. It's only green, but it's not only, except the train must be in the background of the color in the Windows XP background, because I don't know about Windows, because Windows, maybe Microsoft makes Windows, and Microsoft makes Hinges rides. So we now have clear evidence that Hinges rides really began in 1980.